Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize tax loss harvesting using Betterment step by step clearly. First, log into your Betterment account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Invest tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Tax Loss Harvesting option within the Invest section. Read through the overview of tax loss harvesting provided by Betterment. Make sure to review the potential benefits and risks associated with this strategy. At the bottom of the overview, find the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to proceed with the authorization process. You will be prompted to select your account type. Choose the account you wish to authorize for tax loss harvesting. Next, review the tax loss harvesting settings presented to you. Ensure that you understand how Betterment will execute trades for this strategy. If everything looks good, click on the Continue button. You may need to answer a few questions regarding your investment goals. Follow the prompts to complete the questionnaire. Once you finish the questionnaire, review your responses carefully. After confirming your answers, click on the Submit button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your authorization. Review the confirmation details to ensure everything is correct. Tax loss harvesting is now enabled for your selected account. You can monitor your investments regularly to see the impact of tax loss harvesting. If you ever wish to disable this feature, return to the tax loss harvesting section and follow the prompts. Stay informed about your account and market conditions to maximize your tax benefits. Remember that consulting with a tax professional can provide additional insights on your tax strategy. Congratulations on successfully authorizing tax loss harvesting using Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.